Hello students, today we will continue the chapter lines and angles. Today we will do exercise 6.3. First question is, in the given figure, this is a figure CD. This CD is perpendicular on AB. This is a line AB. CD is perpendicular on this line. This means that this angle is 90 degree and this angle also, it will also 90 degree. Now, it is given to you that angle AB equals to 130 degree. Angle ABE, this exterior angle ABE is equals to 130 degree, and angle BAC, this interior angle BAC is equals to 70 degree. What we have to find? We have to find the value of x and y. So we will start with the solution. Okay student, as you can see that there are three triangles. First is ADC, second is BDC, and third is ABC. So we will use this triangle to solve this question. Now, first I will take triangle. In triangle ADC, I am talking about which triangle? This triangle ADC, this one. ADC, angle ADC plus angle DAC plus angle DCA equals to 180 degree. You can say that by which property? Angle sum property. Earlier we have studied the theorem that any triangle sum of their side is equals to 180 degree. We are using that property only. This angle plus this angle plus this angle equals to 180 degree. The angle ADC is 90, angle DAC 70, and angle DCA equals to y plus y equals to 180 degree. Its sum will be 160 plus y equals to 180 degree. Y equals to 180. This will goes here. It will be negative. Y equals to 20 degree. We get y equals to 20 degree. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of x. Now I will take second triangle. In triangle DBC, triangle DBC. As you can see that DBC triangle, E is the produced part. So you can say that angle DBE equals to exterior angle equals to sum of opposite interior angle. I can take angle BDC plus angle BCD. By which property? Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. Now DBE 130, BDC, as you can see that 90 degree is given to us, angle BCD. Angle BCD is, we can take BCD as x. Now x equals to 130 minus 90. We will get 40 degree. We have find the value of x and y. Clear? Now, after this we will do second question. The question is question 2. Find the value of x and y. We have to find the value of x and y. Figure is given to us. This is D, this is C, A, This is x, this is y, this is also x, and this is 114 degree. Now students, this is our question. What we have to find? We have to find the value of x and y. Solution. Now, in triangle A, B, C, this D is produced part. You can say that angle A, C, D. Exterior, you can say that exterior. I can write exterior, EXT short form, is equal to, exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Opposite interior angle are these two angles. You can say angle CAB plus angle CBA. I can write here exterior angle equal to sum of opposite interior angle. Exterior angle equal to sum of opposite interior angle. Sum of two opposite interior angle, you can also say this. Okay, now ACD is 114, CAB is x, and this is also x. So you will get 2x is equal to 114, and x is equal to 114 divided by 2. 2 5s is 7. X is equal to 57. We get the value of x is equal to 57. Now look here students. For finding y, what we will do, as you can see that DCB is a straight line. DCB is a straight line. DCB is a straight line, and these two angles are adjacent to each other. We can say that angle ACD plus angle ACB equals to 180 degree. By which property? Linear pair. Linear pair. Now, ACD is 114 and ACB y. So we will get 180 minus 114. We will get 666 degree. Clear? Now we will do next question. Question 7. If Q T perpendicular, this is a sign of perpendicular, PR angle PQR equals to 40 degree and angle SPR equals to 30 degree. What we have to find? We have to find x and y. Figure is given to us. I will draw the figure. This is P, Q, S, R. This is perpendicular T. This is 30 degree. This is 40 degree. This is angle Y and this is angle X. Now students, what we have to do, we have to find the value of X and find the value of Y. This means that we have to find the angle PRS and angle PSQ. Again, we have triangles. This is one triangle PQR, this is second triangle QTR, this is third triangle PSQ, this is fourth triangle PSR. We can use this triangle to solve this question. No. solution. As you know, this is 90 degree. This is a sine of 90 degree. First we will take in triangle QTR. We must write here which triangle we are taking while solving the question. We will take angle QTR. Angle QTR, in angle QTR, TQR, angle TQR plus angle QTR plus angle QRT equals to 180 degree. Again, angle sum property. Now, TQR is 90 degree. TQR, it is given to us that TQR is 90 degree. Now, TQR is 40 degree. QTR is 90 degree and QRT is X equals to 180 degree. Simply we will add them. We will get 130 degree plus X equals to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 130. We will get 50 degree. Get the value of X equals to 50 degree. Now we have to find the value of Y in this question. Now student, as you can see, this Y is here. This Y is also the exterior part of this triangle PSR or PRS. We can name in any way. This is the exterior part and we know the value of S. We can say that in triangle PSR, angle PSQ equals to angle SPR plus angle PRS. What do you write? Exterior angle equal to sum of opposite interior angle. Now PSQ is Y, angle SPR is equal to 30 degree and PRS, we have to find the value of PRS, which is X, it is 50 degree. The value of Y equals to 80 degree. Clear? Student, these are the questions and if you have any problem you can ask me. Thank you.